Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a 2023 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a ZL1. So this will be SNS 101. This one does not have the 1LE or ground effects. The front end. And it's going to mount in the center, up underneath. Alright, so now we're going to remove the two Torx T15 screws. Screws are out. Screw through the base plate using the inside screw. Again. Much better. And tighten her up using the Torx T15, the same size that you used to take the original screws out. Alright, there we go. Now just pull the pull pin, grab the front, turn it in two, push it in until it clicks into place. There you go. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other three screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.